How generative AI can help virtual field assistants can serve as a reference tool and provide quick access to a vast amount of technical information. Generative AI can help virtual field assistants by serving as a reference tool and providing quick access to a vast amount of technical information. This can be particularly beneficial in field services where engineers may have limited access to comprehensive technical manuals. Generative AI virtual field assistants offer quick access to a wealth of technical knowledge, aiding engineers by providing relevant information and directing them to appropriate resources. Additionally, generative AI has the potential to democratize access to information and skills across various roles and business functions, making it one of the most disruptive trends of this decade. However, it's important to note that while generative AI can provide valuable assistance, there are concerns about the accuracy and reliability of the information it generates, and special attention should be given to acknowledging and citing the output of these tools in academic and professional settings. How can generative AI improve the efficiency of field service? Generative AI can improve the efficiency of field service in several ways. One of the most significant benefits is that it can provide quick access to a vast amount of technical knowledge, aiding engineers by providing relevant information and directing them to appropriate resources. This can be particularly beneficial in field services where engineers may have limited access to comprehensive technical manuals. Generative AI can also optimize resource allocation, predictive maintenance, and customer interactions, ensuring that training is relevant to individual needs. Additionally, generative AI has the potential to democratize access to information and skills across various roles and business functions, making it one of the most disruptive trends of this decade. However, it's important to note that while generative AI can provide valuable assistance, there are concerns about the accuracy and reliability of the information it generates, and special attention should be given to acknowledging and citing the output of these tools in academic and professional settings. What are some specific use cases of generative AI in field service? Generative AI can be applied in various ways to improve the efficiency of field service. Some specific use cases of generative AI in field service include virtual field assistants. Generative AI can serve as a virtual field assistant for engineers, providing quick access to a vast amount of technical knowledge and directing them to appropriate resources, particularly beneficial when engineers have limited access to comprehensive technical manuals. Optimizing resource allocation. Generative AI can optimize resource allocation in field service, ensuring that training is relevant to individual needs and improving resource management and customer experiences. Predictive maintenance. By analyzing historical data and real-time information, generative AI can help in predictive maintenance, allowing for proactive and efficient maintenance of equipment and assets. Dynamic routing. Generative AI can continuously analyze traffic conditions and technician locations to achieve the quickest possible response to service requests, optimizing field service operations. Remote assistance. Field technicians can use generative AI-powered remote assistants, such as augmented reality, AR glasses, or mobile devices, to access remote guidance through complex repairs, improving the efficiency of on-site maintenance and troubleshooting. These use cases demonstrate how generative AI can revolutionize field service by providing quick access to knowledge, optimizing resource allocation, and enhancing various aspects of field service operations. However, it's important to address concerns about the accuracy and reliability of the information generated by generative AI and ensure proper acknowledgement and citation of its output in academic and professional settings. How can generative AI be used to analyze real-time data and external factors to optimize field service? Generative AI can be used to analyze real-time data and external factors to optimize field service in the following ways. Route optimization. Generative AI algorithms can leverage historical data, real-time information, and external factors such as traffic patterns to intelligently optimize operators' appointment schedules and select the best travel routes, ensuring quick responses to customer problems and reducing operational costs. Predictive maintenance. By analyzing historical data and real-time inputs, generative AI can predict potential issues, minimize downtime, and optimize maintenance schedules, thereby improving equipment maintenance routines and maximizing productivity. Resource allocation. Generative AI can optimize resource allocation by providing personalized service recommendations to individual customers based on their historical data, improving customer engagement and experience. Inventory management. Generative AI models can analyze various factors to generate accurate demand forecasts, helping optimize inventory management and production schedules by capturing complex patterns and dependencies in the data. Customer satisfaction. Generative AI can help in continuously meeting consumer expectations for quick responses and accurate fixes by providing personalized service recommendations and improving customer engagement and experience. These applications demonstrate how generative AI can revolutionize field service by leveraging real-time data and external factors to optimize various aspects of field service operations, from route optimization to predictive maintenance and customer satisfaction. How can generative AI be used to predict maintenance needs in field service? Generative AI can be used to predict maintenance needs in field service by analyzing historical data and real-time inputs to anticipate equipment failures before they happen. Generative AI algorithms can detect patterns and anomalies through the analysis of sensor data and previous maintenance logs, enabling proactive maintenance and minimizing downtime. By optimizing maintenance schedules and workflows, generative AI can extend asset lifespans and reduce operational costs. Generative AI can also provide personalized service recommendations to individual customers based on their historical data, improving customer engagement and experience. Generative AI can be used in various applications, including virtual field assistance, route optimization, inventory management, and remote assistance. However, it's important to address concerns about the accuracy and reliability of the information generated by generative AI and ensure proper acknowledgement and citation of its output in academic and professional settings. What are some best practices for implementing generative AI in field service? Some best practices for implementing generative AI in field service include predictive maintenance. Utilize generative AI to anticipate equipment failures before they happen, enabling proactive maintenance and minimizing downtime, which can ultimately lead to cost savings and improved service quality. Improved customer engagement. Leverage generative AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants to provide immediate responses to customer inquiries, enhancing customer engagement and satisfaction. Resource allocation. Optimize resource allocation by using generative AI to provide personalized service recommendations based on historical data, improving customer experiences and operational efficiency. Performance productivity. Implement generative AI to refine and improve operational efficiency, such as in field service management software, which can act as a second set of hands, optimizing service workflows and automating processes. Monitoring and measuring impact. Regularly monitor and evaluate the performance of generative AI to identify and address any issues or risks arising from its usage, ensuring its responsible and effective implementation. By following these best practices, organizations can harness the power of generative AI to revolutionize field service operations, drive greater efficiency, and enhance customer experiences. How can generative AI be used to improve customer service in field service? Generative AI can be used to improve customer service in field service in the following ways. Personalized service recommendations. Generative AI can analyze historical customer data to provide personalized service recommendations. For instance, if a technician is dispatched to a customer with a history of specific equipment issues, the AI system can suggest bringing the required replacement parts, boosting the likelihood of a first-time fix and improving the customer experience. Enhanced customer engagement. Generative AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants can provide immediate responses to customer inquiries, leading to enhanced customer engagement and satisfaction. Streamlined customer service. Generative AI gives organizations the ability to offer a personalized experience to every customer, ultimately transforming the quality of customer service and leading to better engaged service teams, increased revenue opportunities, and enhanced customer experiences. Transforming customer experience. Generative AI can transform the customer experience in field services by enabling personalized service, monitoring instrument status, and automating tasks, ultimately leading to improved customer satisfaction. What are some examples of technical information that generative AI can provide to virtual field assistants? Generative AI can provide various technical information to virtual field assistants in different industries. Some examples of technical information that generative AI can provide include field services industry. Quick access to a wealth of technical knowledge aiding engineers by providing relevant information and directing them to appropriate resources. Troubleshooting and diagnostics guidance. ensuring that field technicians can identify and resolve problems efficiently. Healthcare, assisting in clinical diagnosis by generating structured health reports and analyzing patient information such as medical history, lab results, and scans. Automating administrative tasks, such as transcribing and summarizing patient consultations and filling this information into the corresponding electronic health record, EHR fields. Construction, AI for content creation including text, images, video, and audio, which can be beneficial for creating technical documentation and training materials. Generating 3D visualizations, videos, and images from text descriptions, which can aid in better communication and understanding of technical aspects. Education, elevating writing skills with generative AI, which can be useful for creating and enhancing technical documentation and educational materials. Navigating the path of personalized study plans, where generative AI can help in creating personalized educational content and study materials. What are some specific technical manuals that generative AI can analyze for field service operations? Generative AI can analyze technical manuals for various field service operations, including telecommunications, energy, utilities, manufacturing, and more. For example, generative AI can provide quick access to technical knowledge, troubleshoot and diagnose problems, assist in clinical diagnosis, automate administrative tasks, create technical documentation and training materials, generate 3D visualizations, videos, and images, and create personalized educational content and study materials. What are some challenges that generative AI can help overcome in field service operations? Generative AI can help overcome several challenges in field service operations. One of the significant challenges is the shortage of skilled labor, which can be addressed by automating tedious and time-consuming tasks with generative AI. Generative AI can also optimize resource allocation, streamline processes, and enhance decision-making, leading to improved service uptime, reduced costs, and enhanced customer experiences. Additionally, generative AI can automate documentation work, saving time for field engineers, and enable remote service through augmented reality. However, organizations must be mindful of the ethical implications and take necessary steps to reduce risks associated with generative AI, such as ensuring accuracy, safety, honesty, empowerment, and sustainability. What are some potential risks associated with the adoption of generative AI in field service operations? Generative AI can bring several benefits to field service operations, but it also poses some risks that organizations must address. One of the significant risks is the potential for unintended consequences and harm if not designed and deployed with clear ethical guidelines. Generative AI can also create financial, legal, and reputational risks if not used properly, leading to inaccuracies, compliance violations, breach of contract, copyright infringement, erroneous fraud alerts, faulty internal investigations, and more. Additionally, generative AI can spread misinformation, which could damage the reputation of a brand or incur large fines in some sectors. Therefore, organizations must prioritize the responsible use of generative AI by ensuring it is accurate, safe, honest, empowering, and sustainable. They need to establish robust regulations, ensure transparency in AI systems, promote diversity and inclusivity in development, foster ongoing discussions, and regularly monitor and evaluate their generative AI performance. By proactively engaging with these concerns, organizations can harness the incredible potential of generative AI while upholding ethical principles to shape a better future.